Hello everybody, welcome to Rec Room, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use animations, how to use the animation gizmo and set it up to one button, so when you press that button, the animation starts. When you press the button again, it'll just do the opposite thing. So, yeah. I move really weird because I have stickers, by the way. Just try not to get annoyed by that, and just follow the tutorial, pause when you need to. Let's get started. So, first, you want to pull out your maker pen. So basically you can only use your maker pen inside of either your dorm room, rooms that people have gave co-owner to you, and rooms that you have created. You can use maker pen in those. So simply by pulling out your maker pen, you can hold B on your controller, I think that's the button, and slide your finger down and up, and you should get your maker pen. So now you can look at your tools menu either by going like this or holding B and sliding your finger to the tools menu. So I'm gonna be using grid for an example. You can use surface. I don't like surface. I wouldn't recommend it. Or off. Off and grid are the ones that I mainly use. I'm just gonna keep it on grid. So if you go to your palette on your maker pen, you should see at the top CV1 Legacy. Go on that, and then you should find an animation gizmo. You can search up the animation gizmo if you want to by just searching animation, and then it should be right there. So you can put the animation gizmo down wherever, and you want to add a shape here. So go to shapes, go to cube, and I have this as my color, which I will teach you how to change the color and how to change all that, how to change the texture of it. So here's my little door here. I'm gonna make a door animation for an example. Now you guys can't see me. I'm gonna make a little door. So go back to your tools menu, and then you should see recolor here. I am currently using gray and metal floor. So then once you got that, just recolor it by pressing trigger and pointing at it. Now you want to search button, BUTTON, button V1 Legacy. Grab that one, and then place it right next to there. And then go back to your tools menu, press configure, and where this little highlight says, point it directly at the 0 on the gizmo, and you should see a yellow highlight around it. Go to your tools menu and then configure. So it should be there, but if you have your watch on the tools menu and you select that again, then it should just automatically pop up. Now that plus, you want to click that plus, and then this is where people normally mess up. Go to connect, press connect, and then you want to connect this to this red one right here. But let me take you through all these. Play, stop, reset, and done. So we're only going to be using the play button for right now. And it says when button is pressed, when button is pressed, while button is pressed, and when button is released. So you could do either of those, but I'm going to do when button is pressed. Now that we got that, if you have multiple items, which we'll go over in a second, then just make that pretty close to each other, and like this, and then I only have one piece, so I'm just going to hold this and go over it. So object is removed from animation, object is added, object is removed, object is added. So yeah, that is basically how you connect that. But if you have other items, then you have to select those and add those to the animation as well. So now go back to your tools menu, and once you're on your tools menu, there's an edit button at the top which you want to click on, and then you just see the purple highlight and put that over your animation. So now really all you have to do from now is animate this. So press add on that. I don't really recommend using smooth because sometimes it'll go into the ground, but if you really want to, you can. You can select, if you have multiple items again, select and then press the move button, or just press the move button if you have one item and select that. Anyways, so now we're going to move it up, and I'm gonna move it to the height of like right there because that's, you know, higher than what I am, you know? So it depends on how tall people are, really. And then you want to press add again. As soon as you're done lifting that, add, and then as soon as you're just like up, down, you know, so if you go down, you press add. If you go up, press add. So every time you stop and you let go of the move, press add. And then make it go back down to where it was, press add, and then just press done. So if it like goes up and down immediately and it doesn't like go with this, I'm gonna teach you how to fix that. So go to your tools menu, configure, and you want to configure the animation gizmo, and it should pop up here. And instead of loop, you want to change that to ping pong, and then it's going up and down faster. Don't let that distract you, please. And then you want to press stop at end and stop at start. So now every time you push the button, it goes up and it goes back down. Push the button, up, back down. So now I'm going to teach you how to do one more thing. If you don't want it to immediately go back down, you want to edit the animation again, and right here, where it said, like right here, just remove it, and then remove the first two pieces here, and then there we go. Now every time you press the button, it should go up, it should go down. And I'm going to scale this button. You know, you could, oh, okay. Let's undo that. Scale this button to whatever size you want. I wouldn't make it too small because maybe people won't be able to press the button. I'm just gonna make it like that size, and I'm gonna recolor it too to like a blue and shiny metal. You don't have to do that. Again, that's just recoloring. Now that you have all this set up, I'm going to teach you how to make your thing an invention. The only problem is with making an invention is this door currently, if you, let's say you didn't make a shape and you got it off the invention store, you will not be able to actually make this an invention because you used somebody else's invention, so it won't let you do that. But if you made your own shape, then you can keep following this tutorial. Pick up your maker pen again and tools, go back to tools menu, and then right here it should say make invention. It says select the objects you want to be a part of your invention. So I want the button, the animation gizmo, and the door, obviously. And then next, it says name your animation. I mean your invention name, my bad. So I'm just gonna do door. Press yes. It's just asking you if you want to save your invention. And then you can take a picture of your invention. Don't mind me there. And then you should see here, all this, just press publish. And then it should say, once you publish this invention, it will no longer be updated. And then you can just press next. Invention name or description. Might have to write a description that's over 10 characters, because that's what it'll make you do. So might as well just do that now. I'm just gonna name it tutorial button door. Select your 5 tags. Next. Now, if you have Rec Room Plus, it will make you set a price. I'm just gonna make mine 0 tokens. And then right here, it should say, what do you want? Like, other people can edit and save, only use. I'm just going to allow people to edit and save, unless you just want people to use it. Do you want to customize an invention for your subscribers? Announced for your subscribers. Just press OK, and it should do that. And new invention available now. Do whatever you want, and then you can just publish, and you have now created a Rec Room animation. Press the button, goes up, press again, goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, I hope this tutorial helped, because I also struggled with this and making this video. I know how it feels being new to Rec Room. It's not very good, especially if you want to be a good Rec Room developer and actually make games that people are interested in doing. It's a pretty hard thing, and it's hard to learn. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, please like this video, because I've remade this video over 4 times. So please, just help me. Can my legs stop moving?